Hey, Gaywood Gang, it's your girl Tasha Renee.
And Maddie.
And Layla and her dad are in the other room. Sorry, it's been a while since we put a video out. We have been, sick. We had, what we have, Maddie? No, we had?
A virus, I think?
Yeah, we had the stomach flu. First, Maddie and Layla had stomach flu first. And then I ended up catching it, so... today is, what's today? Today is February 2nd?
Today is Wednesday.
Yeah, today's Wednesday, February 2nd. So over the weekend, when I was supposed to upload a video, they got really sick. Oh my God, Maddie and Layla got sick. I want to say in the middle of the morning on Saturday.
Mommy had it.
Yep. No, you and Layla got sick in the middle of the morning on Saturday, and it went into Sunday. It was horrible. Both girls were sick at one time, and that was a lot. Oh my God.
Throw up.
And poop everywhere. Stomach flu is nothing to play with. Oh my God. It is horrible. I don't wish that on anybody. The pain of that, if you guys have had stomach flu, you know what it is. You know what it feels like. The pain is horrible, and the vomiting is just horrible as well. Comment down below if y'all had stomach flu. If you never had stomach flu before, let us know. And then Monday, I tried to go to work. Went in at 6. I was only there for 30 minutes. And, yeah, I had to leave.
Stomach flu.
It started to develop. I thought I had it on Sunday because I had so much stomach pain and nausea on Sunday. So I was like, well, I got this going on, so maybe I escaped it and didn't have the full-blown symptoms. So I went to work thinking I was fine. No way, Jose, I was not okay. So, but now we're doing good. We're back. And today we're going to come to you with a video.
And Mr. Gatewood is fine, and he doesn't have it, and that's the great part.
Oh, yeah, your dad don't have it. Yeah, he didn't get it. He confined himself to the living room, and he didn't sleep nowhere near us, but the girls wanted to cuddle with me the whole time. So guess who got it? Mommy. But, sorry for rambling on. I just came on here really quick to let you guys know where we've been, but we are going to come to you with a
snow day.
Yep, Maddie has a snow day today, and it's snowing really bad outside. We're supposed to get, I think they said like 7 to 11 inches, so that's a lot.
I know I'm supposed to be at school today, but I have an online day.
Yeah, you do have an online day, and she's been doing really good because she's finished most of her work. Now she's reading. So after that, guys, we're going to get you
to the snow.
And we're going to get you a lit video of them playing in the snow and us making snowman and stuff like that. Comment down below if it is snowing where you are and it's super cold, because it's super cold here and it's snowing, and we got some ice too. Oh my God, it was so crazy. I'm glad I'm off work and don't have to drive in it, because I work at Children's Hospital, so we are essential workers and they need us there, but baby, I didn't think I would be there today if I had to work. I'm just being honest. So, we are going to get out of here. I'm going to go eat my sandwich. Maddie's already ate. She's going to finish her online reading, and we'll get back with you. What's up?
So, we have a new subscriber, and let's give a shout out to Bria, because I told her about our channel. She gave us a like and a subscribe.
Yay! Shout out to Bria, and she's in your class?
Yep.
Yep, she's one of Maddie's classmates. Shout out to you, Bria. Thank you so much. And Maddie, it's up to you to let all your friends know
that we have a channel.
That's right. That's right. So we're trying to give you lit, fun, funny videos and vlogs too. So like I said, I'm going to go eat. Maddie has already ate. And we'll get back with you with this snow day video of ours.
Bye.
See ya. Be back in a sec.
Bye.
Alright, Gaywood Gang. We are back. As you see, we are outside in the snow. Can you see Puppy? There's Puppy jumping around. Maddie.
Bye.
Layla.
Bye.
don't know if they can see you though.
None of this.
Huh?
I said it's icy.
I know, it was icy. Well, yeah, we were trying to come outside and build a snowman, and it seemed like it's a little mini blizzard. The snow.
I think it's too soft to make a snowman.
It's too soft.
Yeah, we probably should.
The snow is blowing really hard. And the wind, I mean, is blowing hard too. But the girls seem like they're having a lot of fun. But this wind,
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check them out from the inside.
it's no joke. Well, Dad at Gatewood is vacating the premises from outside. He's going back in the house.
It might be a little too windy.
Well, at least say hi to the people. You ain't said nothing to them.
What up? Wood gang, we out here freezing.
Yeah, as you can see.
I get a little more time in the snow.
Yeah,
I'm gonna bury the
Their
poppet.
hands gonna be frozen in about 5 minutes.
yeah, they are.
Well, you may as well
Now you gotta
make
try
that
the
chocolate.
farm.
Or you can, because I'm going to be out here with them.
Don't do that.
Oh, there we go. Snowball fight. Oh.
It's going down now.
Yeah. Now, no, don't throw that at me. All right. Here, Thomas, you're going to have to hold this now.
I got to get it back.
Yeah.
No.
You're going to have to record because it's recording already. Huh, you stop it?
No. I'm just finna
Don't make
pour it
big
down from this side.
snowballs. Yeah.
Guess you got this thing out here.
What are we supposed to be doing? I'm gonna do the hamburger
I
pocket.
don't know if y'all can see that.
Huh?
I'm gonna do the hamburger pocket. No!
She hit you with the lazy left. Oh, now y'all running.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all running from me now?
Too
Oh,
cold.
no, come back. Come
No!
back.
Layla about whatever.
Get this out of my mouth.
It's the slowest snowball fight ever. You got Puffy. One of y'all hit Puffy. Ah!
That just hit me in my head.
Caught you sleeping.
Yeah.
I'm the snowball queen.
Come on with it then.
And it's the pocket
You got
with the snow.
perfect snow pocket. What are you doing? Don't just put it on me. Oh my God. I done got hit. I'm left here.
Wow, my poppy broke.
Man down, it's too cold.
Like, you
All right.
I couldn't shit. I'm getting hit with snowballs and shit. Stuff, excuse me. Oh man. It'll be sticky. It'll be the snow will be stickier tomorrow. We could make a snowman. It might snow some more. We can build up some more snow. I forgot to get y'all a carrot though.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
You gotta go get the carrot today.
It's pretty cold.
You
Everybody going
forgot
to
it
Yeah,
yesterday.
I'm not going to the store today, young lady.
Today.
Yeah.
It's cold and it's still snowing.
Good for
Oh
us.
Lord, it's cold out here. My hands-
All right. He's leaving. That
I
was,
ain't going nowhere. I just put my hand
Oh.
in my pocket.
yes, you don't have gloves.
I got my gloves.
That was fun while it lasted.
Puffy.
There's Puffy down there with Layla.
Well, I'm running in the snow.
You see Puffy?
It's time to make the big guy.
The big guy.
Yeah.
Who is that? Oh, the snow.
Yeah. No. Oh, big giant
snowball.
snowball. And then throw it on Puffy.
see.
Puffy, come here. Come here. Come here.
Snow all over me. Wait till this snow sticks. Oh, don't drop the snow on the dog.
Man, don't do that. That's not nice.
She threw
I don't
snow
know.
at me. Puffy threw snow at me.
tag y'all as soon as these snow.
I'm gonna bury the poppet.
Let it moisten up just a little bit more.
Oh, girl.
Got all your pockets.
I think it's time to bury the
Layla, you next.
Got him.
Where's the poppet?
My hands cold.
Woo. This wind is blowing.
Say cheese.
No!
My hands cold.
All right, y'all. That was fun. We can't make our snowman today. The snow is too soft. We're gonna have to make it tomorrow.
Let's make it a little bit better.
Snow day ice cream cookies, homemade for the children. Don't they look good, y'all? That look really good. Look, we got vanilla with a homemade cookie. Then we have cookies and cream. Coming.
The cameraman. How much you paying?
Uh-oh. I'll pay. Whatever you want me to pay, baby. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Maybe I should put more on the others, too. Oh, they're heathens. Tell you.
Come on, because we got to put them up in the freezer. Lemonades too. The rest of them are good. They say my sandwich skeet.
Don't they look good, y'all? Now I'm gonna wrap them up and put them in the freezer.
I just been posted up. Chilling. Not doing nothing.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. We're creative. The girls are gonna love this.
Oh shit. Messy too. Let's do a couple of them right there for them.
So this is also what happens on a snow day. Playing with Kindles. I hope you guys can hear what they're talking about.
With your smart mouth, you gonna get your smart mouth out of here before I whoop your butt. And if you get your smart mouth out of here,
What are we gonna do with these children? Who is she talking to though? And it's always the little one. The little one is always
So you
born.
better not act like you smart mouth to your friend. You understand? Yes, no, man. Why you acting like a smart mouth, like your friend? No, man.
I guess they playing mommy and daughter.
Get me in trouble, Mom.
Yeah, I think that's what they
You
doing.
don't talk to me like that. You
Yeah, they must be bored.
No, I'm talking to myself. I'm just pretending that I'm a child. You better not.
So that's what y'all doing? Yeah.
Maddie is farting. I did.
Maddie was farting. Why would you say that? Hey guys, we are back. Today is Thursday, February 3rd. Who we got?
Maddie.
Nicole.
Layla. No, just
Layla. Look at all this snow, y'all. Look at all this snow. Look how deep it is. It's crazy. Are you guys guys gonna try to make a snowman, or are you too cold?
I think I'm too cold.
You think you're too cold?
Well, I'm gonna make a big pile.
All of this
Cool.
snow. Oh my
What
gosh.
are you doing on the fidget, Poppy?
Somebody just jumped somebody's fence. Gang, I'm letting them play, but it is hella cold out here, y'all. To be out here recording, it is freezing.
For my snowman. Whee!
Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I'm gonna let them have at it. I'm gonna go back in the house.